Hello friends, today we are going to discuss regarding the some main points regarding lithium aluminum hydride, and this reagent is actually reducing agent, and in several reactions in organic chemistry it is added here. So what is the function of lithium aluminum hydride, we will discuss in brief only. Okay, so if you see here, this is a nucleophile, okay, and act as a reducing agent, means it generates hydrogen. It acts as a hydrogen generator, you can say. Okay, second point is, it is since it is reducing agent, and it acts on polar multiple bonds. Polar multiple bonds means this may be when carbon is attached to heteroatom. Okay, so like that CO, this is CN. Okay, so these are the polar multiple bonds in which this reagent is acts. Okay, and it does not attack on CC bond, NN bond, CC bond, CC triple bonds. Okay, so you can say isolated non-polar. These are the isolated non-polar bonds, so it will not attack on these type of bonds. So these are the some function of lithium aluminum hydride. But when suppose that this we have mentioned one example is like silimaldehyde. Okay, in this is the CHO. Okay, CHO means this one. Okay, it is the polar CO bond. Okay, so that's why it reduces lithium aluminum hydride, reduces to in which CH2OH. But since we also discussed that it will not attack on non-polar bonds, means CC bond, CC double bond. Okay, but in this it is attached to benzene ring, means there is a conjugated double bonds is present, so that's why it also reduces to CC bond. Okay, and converted to CH2 so understand what I want to say. Okay, so this type of example have been asked in several exams like IIT Advanced and CSIR Net and other exams. Okay, so please keep in mind. Okay, so second one, if you compare from lithium borohydride. Okay, so it is also reducing agent, but lithium aluminum hydride is a strong reducing agent, means it generates hydrogen very easily, hydrogen hydride very easily, means as compared to sodium borohydride, it generates hydrogen very easily. That's why it is a strong reducing agent. Okay, compared to this, if you see here, why it is a strong reducing agent, means why it is releases very easily hydride bond. So that's why, what is the reason? Because aluminum hydride bond is not very strong. It is very, as compared to BH, aluminum hydride bond is weak as compared to BH bond. Okay, means BH bond is, bond strength is high, means these BH for releasing hydride, it is very, since bond is very strong, that's why it cannot able to release hydrogen. Okay, so that's why aluminum hydride bond is very weak, that's why it releases hydride very easily as compared to BH. Okay, so that's why lithium aluminum hydride is a strong reducing agent, capable to release very easily hydride as compared to sodium borohydride. Okay, so it is the main funda from if you compare lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. Second one, if you see mechanism, we will also draw the mechanism. This is lithium aluminum hydride, means this is lithium aluminum hydride. So if you break down, it breaks to ALS4 minus. Okay, so this is the ALS4 minus, it is the open form we have mentioned here, and this is the lithium. So if you see, it releases hydrogen very easily, so that's why it attack on CO. This bond will break down, charge will be developed here, so that way one hydrogen is attached to C. Okay, but if there are 3 hydrogen is remaining here, So if you add further 3 RCOR, so it reduces, means it releases 3 hydrogen and attack on 3 CO, and it will convert it to R, means 4 hydrogen, 4 molecules of RCO. RCO will be reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, so this is the aluminum minus, and there is no hydrogen is remaining, means it releases 4 hydrogen to 4 RCO molecules. Okay, so after that hydronium ion is released. Where it will release it, if you add acid or H2O, it changes to hydronium ion and it breaks this bond and convert it to OH. Okay, this bond will be break down here and EH will be added from this one. Okay, so that's why if you see here, there are 2 hydrogen is here. If you see this hydrogen, so this hydrogen comes from Salolysis. After Salolysis, you can say, means HCl, if you added here or H2O, the hydrogen will be comes from that one. Okay, and in this CH, this hydrogen will be comes from reagent, means this reducing agent which releases 4 hydrogen. So that's why these are comes from lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, understand? So if you see here, if you okay, so experimental, we can say if you add CS3 CO CS2 CS3 in which lithium aluminum deuterated form of D4, for confirmation of that this hydrogen comes from lithium aluminum hydride, so that's why we here change by deuterated atom. Okay, so we take here lithium aluminum deuterated tetrahydride, and Salolysis system is here, so that's why these D added in this. Okay, so means here if you see this D comes from lithium aluminum hydride, and OH means after Salolysis can be carried out and hydrogen comes from this one. Okay, so these are the